This is from your grandpa.
And Nana.
Right there. Right there.
Your Nana picked that out and wrapped it.
Cool. What is it, buddy?
Yeah, train.
You want to take the paper? Oh, it's got bubble wrap on it? I'll get the bubble wrap for you.
Don't do anything with the bubble wrap, though. He loves his bubble wrap.
Oh, there you go. What is that? What is that?
Choo-choo.
It's a book?
He knows what's on the back of it. He's trying to show you what's in the back of it. Choo-choo. Do you like that, William? Yes?
Can you say thank you?
He's too excited.
Whoa!
Whoa!
There's a map and then there's train.
Before you open that, would you have him open the other so I can get it all?
William, but you have more.
Oh, I know. It's perfect. Just open one more and you can go back to playing with it. We want Grandma and Grandpa to see you open the other one.
Can you open this, please? I'll take this.
We'll watch it. We'll put it in as soon as you're done opening.
I'll take this.
You really like what you just got, don't you, Buggy? Oh, is this one going to be as cool? This is the first one you've opened without instigation.
Do you want some help? Oh, there you go.
Please go away. You had the cat turned out video.
Ooh. Do you want me to open it? I'll get this off?
I think Sue tried to daddy-proof it. So good job, Nana. Uh-oh. What is that, William?
Whoa.
Yeah, awesome. William, can you say thank you?